Hey again, this is Rich Cruz, and I'm bringing you another edition of Build My Digital Business, where I help you to learn how to put a website up, and well, not just a website, but hopefully we'll get to more of your digital, presence, your online presence here. But we're more than in the middle of building a website here, right? Using WordPress. So I've already put WordPress on our hosting platform. We've already put our theme and our plugins into the site. Now we're actually going to build one web page. Actually, we're going to build two web pages. So let's go over to our dashboard. So here's what our site looks like now, right? So if I go to the dashboard, I'm going to go to pages. You'll see that we just have a contact us page. These were actually created when we put the website up, when we installed it. So we're going to add new, and we're going to do two web pages. We're going to do our blog page. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go to pages. I actually have a blog page that I'm going to restore. Okay. And then I'm going to create a new, and I'm going to edit that page, and I'm going to publish it. But I'm going to show you how I create the home page, right? So we're going to call this page home. We're going to give it down here. This is a plugin called Yoast SEO. So this allows us to put some SEO content into here, including our title, meta description, and a keyword phrase here. So this is the most important part, is the title, right? So we'll get more into SEO later, but right now I'm going to publish this. Okay. Now we're going to build this. Actually, before we do that, let's do this. We're going to go to settings and reading. And I want a home page and a blog page. So my home page is going to be home. My blog page, or post page, where all my blogs are going to go, is going to be posts. I want a summary, not a full text on those blog pages. And there we go. Let's go back to, actually, let's just go to visit the site, which now we're on our home page here. Okay, there's really nothing on it. So what we're going to do, because Divi is a website builder that allows us to build visually. So we're going to click that visual builder up here, and we're going to choose a pre-made layout. And that allows us to look at all of these different layout packs that are there, and you can kind of dig into, business related, or like get even more granular, consultants, right? So if I chose one of these, it'll actually populate the page with all of the elements and just already stylize everything for you. However, I'm not going to do that this time. What I'm going to do is build this from scratch. And I want to show you how we can do this very quickly. I'm going to create a full width section here with a full width slider. I'm only going to put one slide on here. You can actually do a full width header instead, but I'm going to use a slider. I like that option. So I'm just going to put in here from that Word document that I showed you before. I'll put in some of this content here. We're going to actually make that heading 2. We're going to go and put in a background image. And I already uploaded a nice background image there. We're going to give that an overlay. We're going to make it a black overlay, but we're going to put some, yeah, let's do that. Okay. And then we're going to just bring this up here. All right, cool. And now let's put a little content over here. So we're going to just do this. I'm going to add a text section here. I'm just going to select that all and paste that in right from Word. Divi does a really good job of handling the styling, so it doesn't actually pick up the styling from Word, which is really a great thing. I'm going to do image. I'm going to grab this image of me that I've uploaded here, plus the check mark. Maybe we'll make that just a little, so I can adjust the widths of my columns and all that here, but I'm not going to do that. I like to keep everything the way that Divi already has it, but I am going to change the column structure so that this is a little smaller, something like that. Right. And so I can go in here and I could add other sections. I'm going to add a column here. I'm going to add more text here. I'm going to change. I'm going to put this in here. Why am I doing this? It's an H2 tag. I can go in here, change my H2 to be centered. Go to my section here, add a background. Just add a green background for now. Right, so I'll get in here and style more of this later, but all I got to do now is save this. Exit the Visual Builder. And there we go. So this will end up linking to my contact page soon. I will adjust the menu, which is going to be over here in the menus section. So the next time we get together, I'll have I should have all 5 pages done. But I just wanted to show you this is how we build things today, right? And that's not how we used to build things before. We would actually have to hand code HTML, CSS, cascading style sheets, HTML, hypertext markup language. We used to have to do all of that by hand. No more. It's all visual. So, yeah, I'll be with you again with another video very soon. Thanks. Actually, before I let you go, if you have any questions, I want you to know that you're not here alone on this, right? So if you have any questions, need any help or whatever, I will soon have a contact page. But, in the meantime, at any of the social channels where you see this video, feel free to message me, leave me a comment. And then, of course, like, share any of these videos if you find value in them. And I really appreciate that. So, again, I'll be with you very soon with another edition of Build My Digital Business. Thanks.